Greetings, people. It is your Minister for Agriculture. It's been a while. I think it's months now. I've been saying this, and I need to organize my different plant foods, pesticide, insecticide, what have you. And I actually commissioned this duty. So a friend of mine, Paul Ferguson, and he does really amazing work. I wasn't expecting something as posh, but he's about quality. So he built this for me, so I can put my different bottles and so on there instead of having them on the ground and just scattered about and so forth. So what I'm going to do today is actually line it with some linoleum. So I'm going to put it on here, and then we're going to organize our stuff so we know exactly what is where. All right, so I know my foods from my pesticides and my insecticides and all these sort of things. You know, I was just looking through here a little bit, and I did not even realize I had this. All right, this is Top Cop. All right, it is OMRI listed, so this is for organic gardening. All right, it's a fungicide and bactericide. So you know, things like your powdery mildew on your okra and so forth. This works really well for it. And I realized I had this big bottle, but I guess this is what happens when you have things, you know, all over the place. Remember, and I think some people are a little overwhelmed by all the bottles, but remember that many of these things you're seeing here, they are OMRI listed or certified for organic farming. So a lot of this is all about organic gardening. Most of the things I have here, it is for organic gardening because I am producing stuff that I am consuming, and I'm very careful about that. And of course, you know, blood meal and bone meal and all kind of seaweed extract, and so my cytokine. Of course, you have to have your Bio 20, so that is there set, and just a host of other things. This one here is really good as well. New Fall NPK algae or algae, whichever way you want to pronounce it. This is a seaweed extract with micro and macronutrients. So again, it is for organic farming. Yeah, so let me just get on with it, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Yeah.